Hello children, how are you? I hope you are well. Now I will teach about first aid kit. First aid kit is a collection of equipment that is used to give medical treatment. Digital thermometer. This is digital thermometer. This is non-contact digital thermometer. We use thermometer for measured human body temperature. This is cotton. This is roller gauge, adhesive tape, soft swab. All these are used for medical purpose. This is crepe bandage. We use crepe bandage for cracked bone. This is antiseptic liquid, Dettol. This is antiseptic powder. This is antiseptic liquid. This is antiseptic cream. All these used for antifungal and antibacterial. Dettol also used for washing germs. This is adhesive bandage. Provident iodine ointment. This is betadine lotion. We use for antibacterial and antifungal. These are painkillers. These are painkillers. We use painkiller for relief from headache and body ache. These scissors. This is cough syrup. It used for relief from cough and cold. It is pediatric oral suspension for fever. These are burning gel. When we face any burn accident, then we use this gel. Nowadays, we use hand wash, hand sanitizer, hand gloves and mask for protection against coronavirus. So I hope you have understood about first aid kit.
Thank you for watching the video. To know more about us, click www.stxpspublicschool.com. If you like our video, then share and subscribe, please. Tata all my friend. I see you again in next video.